Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a topic that many fifth-wheel RV owners might find useful. Inspecting a fifth-wheel camper roof for repair. This is crucial for ensuring your RV's safety and longevity. Before we begin, let's take a look at some key areas to check. 1. Check the seals around the air vents, skylights, and other fixtures. Look for any damage or wear that could let in moisture. 2. Inspect the roof sealant for cracks or peeling. This can lead to leaks during wet weather, so it's important to fix any issues promptly. 3. Examine the rubber membrane for any signs of wear or damage. This is a critical component of your RV's protection against the elements. 4. Look for debris buildup in gutters and downspouts. Blocked gutters can cause water to back up under your RV, leading to leaks and other issues down the line. 5. Inspect the entire roof carefully for cracks, dents, or other damage caused by hail or other impacts. Even small issues can lead to major problems later on if left unaddressed. Remember, minor issues with your RV can quickly become major headaches if left unattended. So it's crucial to be proactive in maintaining your fifth-wheel camper roof and overall RV condition. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more RV maintenance tips and tricks. Until next time, happy travels!